landladies. Welcome back to my channel. And remember, lazy means leveraging automation to add zeros to yourself. You want to work smarter, and absolutely not harder. Today we are going to talk about adding tenants to an existing lease. Stay tuned. If you're a landlady, you're well aware of the importance of leases. They act as legal protection from everything that can go wrong during a rental term. As such, it is necessary for leases to be customized for each rental situation and updated as changes are made. There are plenty of reasons why a lease agreement might need to be changed throughout a tenant's time in your unit. One common reason is to account for changes in occupancy, which is often seen in student housing. Regardless of the situation, however, you definitely don't want an adult who hasn't signed a lease living in your property. Here are the steps to add another tenant. Step 1. Acquire a written request. The correct way of doing it is to submit a written letter. The letter should state the request to add another tenant to the lease. It is not as simple as asking verbally. The request should be formal. Step 2. Check the unit's occupancy limit. Once you've received a written request, you should check the rental unit's occupancy limits. Occupancy restrictions are legally set by statutes, codes, and ordinances. Step 3. Obtain a completed rental application. Your next step is to send your current tenant a copy of your official rental application form for their potential roommate to fill out and return to you by a specified date. Every tenant living in your rentals must fill out a rental application so that you can continue to the screening step. Step 4. Screen and approve or deny the tenant. Once you have received a completed rental application, you now have the necessary information to screen the potential tenant. After you've screened the applicant and reviewed their information, you should make your decision. If you decide to deny them housing, you should send them and your current tenant a letter or email explaining your decision. If you decide to accept the request, you should send both tenants a written notification and proceed to Step 5. Step 5. Update and sign the existing lease agreement. Now it's time to talk about the lease. The landlady should review the contract with all the tenants in the property. She should inform them of the new changes brought about by the additional person. They should know that they are all responsible for paying the rent and utility bills. For more interesting articles on managing your properties, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, Twitter, and follow us on TikTok and LinkedIn. See you in the next video.